So based on the results you have, do you ever get the feeling that personal development books and seminars are leaving something important out? I mean, it's almost like they're keeping something from you. Well, even though those books and those courses are great, all the positive thinking and the visualization in the world is not going to make a bit of difference in your life. And let's be honest, in most cases, you may see what's possible, but you have no idea how to really get there. I mean, you find yourself chasing your dreams that are always out of reach. And maybe you're overwhelmed with the options and just unsure which direction to take. And all you really need is someone to just give you the one missing piece. And you're right. Now you feel that way because the gurus and the authors are leaving out one really crucial element. And it's a tool that's so important that it literally makes all the tough decisions in life for you. A tool that is misrepresented, it's misunderstood, and I'll say it's even ignored by most of the gurus. It's a vision of magnitude. Now, my name is Jeff Rogers, and I'm the founder of Brainstorm. And after 26 years of facilitating and coaching high performers, I've discovered what was missing from all the people with minimal results by asking one simple question: what do you want? Now, the common answer I got back was, I don't know. I hear it all the time. Now, how do you get what you want if you don't know exactly what it is? Does that make sense? Now, some would give the basic answers: the relationship of my dreams, the new car, the big house, and of course, everyone wanted more money. We can't leave that one out. Everyone says those things. I hear it all the time. They're common. They say these things to avoid the truth because they're scared and they're confused about their future. And that makes sense, especially today in this environment. Now, I'm going to show you how to live your dream life that you create through a vision of magnitude. Now, there's way too much for me to cover here, so I put together a live webinar to uncover what's missing. So please join me live, and that's right, I'm going to do this live, where I'm going to cover the two most overrated tools everyone uses and how they're not working for you. And then I'm going to show you how to create an amazing vision of magnitude. So I want you to hit the button in the corner below and register for the live event. And remember to save the date and time on your calendar so you don't miss this. It's going to be amazing. So hit that button and I'll see you there.